Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about forms.app. First of all, we'll accept all cookies, then I'll tell you more about forms.app, what it actually is, what you're paying for. We'll compare the pricing plans and also we'll compare it to most of the competitors like Pabbly Form Builder and many more. So let's start. What it actually is. Forms.app is a form builder that offers its users an intuitive and friendly manufacturer interface and allows customers to create modules within a couple of minutes and start collecting answers immediately. The application is equipped with 4 essential privacy features. Only manufacturers can change the form, and only some people that the administration list can access the form or its records. Users can customize the design of the module based on their personal taste or to the corporate identity and take secure payments through different platforms. As public forms are indexed by search engines, it is an excellent way to be present on the internet without a website. Users can customize the module URL to make it easier to find on the internet. The calculator function helps customers establish values for options in their modules. They can add or subtract a particular amount defined in the calculations and reach a total sum. It's made mainly for it's only made, I would say it's made for businesses only. I don't really see how individuals can get used to it. They are located in Tallinn and you can run it in your web browser as I'm doing right now, or install it into your Android phone or iOS. You see, they're already asking us to join in with Gmail, so let's continue as my name. And then on the top right corner, we see couple of options in here. So let's go with pricing. You can decide if you want to subscribe for more than for a year, or you want to pay monthly. If you're going to pay monthly, you can expect a higher charge. But also, they are offering free forever option for 10 forms, 1 user, 150 forms responses a month, 1000 form views, 1000 responses storage, and many more. Then they have a basic option for $12. Then also Pro and the Premium for $59, where you have everything unlocked, every single feature, and also maxed out the user amount and unlimited forms, unlimited views, and many more options. But let's start with forms. So I have to log in first. We can easily log in with Gmail. And here we are. By logging in to through Gmail, you don't have to wait for confirmation emails, since they can track that it's really you and you don't really have to sweat it too much. I really like all the apps and the softwares that are backed up by Google or Gmail, as you please. And yeah, here we are. We can easily create a form. You can start from a blank. Then we have restaurant order form, cake order, market research, and many more. But let's start with a blank one. Let's go with a list view and press button to add a field. So let's add a full name, where you go with your first name and last name. Then we can add more. with, for example, yes, sorry, I I thought that it's drag and drop, but it's actually not. So address, you can go with address 2, show city, also you can go with postal code and also a country. Let's add more, let's go with phone number. Let's go with more and long text. Type your question here. How you like it far, for example, and that's it. Let's say your form is all set and done. So we want to focus on top right corner. Here is a view, how it will look on desktop, on tablet, and then on the mobile phone as well. See, it's very easy. Then also we can go with settings. We can go with dark or dusky, or step view, where you go step by step. But let's go with dusky. Then settings. You can just check general settings, require login for submission, allow multiple permissions, integrations, which is very big part of big part of every single like form builder software. So you can integrate it with in this case Google Sheets, Slack, Calendar, and many more. Then conditions, calculator, and also obviously share option. You can go with WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, with your email and WordPress account. And yet again, also you can basically copy the link and then just copy paste it. So you can fill up the form. Very easy way around. And then obviously save button, where you going to save it. And when we go back, we see our untitled form. When we just open it and we have it here, first name, last name, address, postal code, or import it, then easily you can put it in many more folders. For example, tutorials, we'll add it up, and yeah, we can move it to tutorials, and you see there's a little label that is showing us that in which folder it is, so you can easily track it out. Then you can add more members, but that would mean that you have to add your subscription. And yeah, if you go +1, so it's a basic, with Pro is 4 members and 9 members is premium. But yeah, as I said, if you only need to be the only one, the free forever option is pretty damn good. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions about forms.app, please ask them underneath this video and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.